Think about your last cleaning session. Maybe you sprayed down the kitchen counter or scrubbed the bathroom tiles. The smell of strong chemicals filled the air, and you thought, wow, this must be working. But what if I told you those very chemicals are quietly damaging your health, your wallet, and even the planet? Here's the truth. Most commercial cleaners are loaded with toxins, wrapped in plastic, and designed for us to overuse. But there's another way, a greener, safer, and surprisingly smarter way. Today, I'll reveal the eco-friendly cleaning hacks you've probably never tried. But once you do, you'll never go back. Hack number 1. Citrus-powered all-purpose spray. Instead of buying endless bottles of multi-purpose cleaners, you can create your own powerful, eco-friendly version at home. All you need? Citrus peels and vinegar. Drop orange or lemon peels into a jar, cover them with vinegar, and let it sit for a week. The oils from the peels infuse into the vinegar, creating a natural disinfectant that smells fresh. Strain it into a spray bottle and, voila! You've got a zero-waste, chemical-free cleaner that tackles counters, sinks, and glass. Hack number 2. Baking soda as a secret scrub. Forget chemical-laden powders. Baking soda is one of the most powerful eco-cleaners you can own. Sprinkle it on grimy sinks, stubborn pans, or bathroom tiles. Add a few drops of water to form a paste, scrub lightly, and stains disappear like magic. It's safe, biodegradable, and dirt cheap. Professional eco-cleaners rely on baking soda because it's both abrasive enough to fight grime and gentle enough not to harm surfaces. One box can replace half your cleaning arsenal. Hack number 3. Olive oil for shiny surfaces. Most wood polishes come in aerosol cans packed with chemicals. But here's the genius green hack. Olive oil. Just a small amount on a cloth can revive wooden furniture, polish stainless steel, and even loosen sticky residues. It's safe for kids, safe for pets, and gives surfaces a natural, healthy glow. The best part? It doesn't just shine, it conditions, protecting surfaces from drying or cracking. One bottle in the kitchen doubles as your eco-polish in the living room. Hack number 4. DIY laundry softener with vinegar. Fabric softeners smell nice, but they coat clothes in synthetic chemicals that irritate skin and pollute waterways. The eco-friendly swap? White vinegar. Add half a cup to your washing machine during the rinse cycle. It softens clothes, removes detergent residue, and even keeps your machine fresh. And don't worry, your clothes won't smell like vinegar. They come out soft, neutral, and naturally fresh. It's simple, cheap, and environmentally safe. Hack number 5. Steam cleaning without chemicals. Here's a hack most people overlook: steam. A handheld steam cleaner uses nothing but water to sanitize surfaces, blast away grease, and refresh upholstery. No sprays, no toxins, just pure, hot vapor doing the hard work. It kills bacteria, loosens dirt, and even lifts stains from carpets. Plus, it saves money in the long run since you'll never need to buy so many specialty cleaners again. It's one of the cleanest and greenest ways to keep your home spotless. Hack number 6. Reusable cloths over paper towels. Every time you reach for a paper towel, you're throwing away trees, water, and money. The eco-friendly hack: microfiber or cotton cloths. They're washable, reusable, and far more effective at trapping dirt and dust. One microfiber cloth can replace hundreds of paper towels. And when you multiply that across months of cleaning, the savings, for both your wallet and the planet, are huge. Hack number 7. Essential oils for natural freshness. Air fresheners and scented sprays often hide harmful chemicals. But there's a greener, healthier way: essential oils. Add a few drops of lavender, tea tree, or eucalyptus oil to your DIY cleaners, or even just a spray bottle with water. Not only do they smell amazing, but many oils are naturally antibacterial. You're freshening the air, disinfecting, and avoiding toxins, all at once. If this video opened your eyes, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and share this video with someone who wants to live cleaner and greener. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community, because sometimes the smartest way to protect our future starts with how we clean today.